You have this house.
What did you do that for?
Here's some cups. Here's a cup for Janelle.
Should I use a pink cup or a purple cup?
And a plate for Janelle.
Polly is making music for the party.
This is my purple cup, see?
You use a pink Polly's plate.
It has little circles on it. Do you want to see?
Yeah. Mama, look what. That's funny. Mama, look, Daddy, look what kind of tea it is.
What kind is it's apple tea?
Yes.
I like apple tea. Can I have some, please?
It's not apple tea, it's orange apple tea.
Oh, yeah, that's what I meant. Can I have some, please?
And a cup for you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. It was very delicious.
Make a party, Paul.
All right, Paul, good job making music for our tea
Very
party.
good. Do you want some tea?
How come you're not drinking much tea, Janelle?
I'm just helping with the tea party.
Oh, it's okay if you want to drink a little bit of tea, too.
Here.
But when you drink it, you have to
Mama.
put
Mommy,
you have
I
to
want
put
to
your up like this.